Hi friends, welcome to Tech Release channel. Today we will discuss one of the most important Linux command, that is the file command. The file command tells us whether the option passed is a file or a directory or what type of file is it. So let's see the demo. So let me check what all files I have. So let's see what is there in file, this file. So it is an empty file. Now let me see what is there in test 4. Yeah, it's an ASCII text. So let's see what is there. Yes, we have a text file here. Now, file. Let's see what is there in try and copy. So it says this is a directory. Now suppose I say star. So this prints all the files which is there in that directory, showing the type of file what it is. Suppose for example, if you see Jenkins, this one is a nothing but which has the zip archive data in that, and this is nothing but an exe file which doesn't have permission, that what it says. And PyCharm here says that it is the executable file with this specification. So friends, we have man command, as I always say, for this particular command. To show help on this command, go through all the options of this, watch this video, like, subscribe. Thank you very much. We'll see in another video. Thank you.